So in a previous video, I had shown how to make these big dice out of cardboard. And they're pretty good because they can still fit in most game boxes. But if you want to start enlarging the dice further, you run into some challenges. Now, as you get into larger dice, you find they won't roll very well if they're just square boxes. So we need to do a little extra work to round off these corners. So that's what I'm going to show you today. Let's get started. First, print out the pattern on the colored paper of your choice. I provided free templates in the description below, so you can make a standard one like this, a blank one which lets you draw in your own numbers or pictures, and the one I'm going to make today, which replaces the dice in the stacking game Animal Upon Animal. Glue the first page of the pattern onto some corrugated cardboard using a glue stick or spray glue if you have it. At the same time, glue the second page onto some chipboard like that used in cereal boxes, or some thick cardstock. Then cut out all the pieces with a sharp knife or scissors. Now take one large panel at a time and align it face down in front of you, with the corrugation lines running side to side. Use another panel to mark the thickness of the cardboard along the left and right edges. Then use a ruler and a sharp knife to only cut through the top layer and the corrugation, but not the bottom layer. Then peel away those top layers just to leave that single layer of cardboard. Repeat this for all the panels. Use hot glue to join the straight edges of the panels, pairing an inset edge with an untrimmed edge. Now if you want to stop here, you can. It'll still roll fine. But to give it a more finished look, use hot glue to attach each one of these corner pieces. Once the glue is set, you can trim any overhanging edges, or sand each seam lightly. You can also use colored markers or some craft paint to run along each edge and hide the seam a little better. And we're done. Now this has been a big hit with everyone that's used it. Toddlers especially seem to love rolling the dice and then running over to see what they've gotten. Definitely makes any game more active. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you on the next one.